Are you wondering if Emarlado Broker could be your ticket to trading success, or is it just another broker that fails to deliver? Well, stick around because today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Emarlado Broker, so you can decide if it's the perfect match for your trading needs. Emarlado is a relatively new name in the trading industry, having launched in 2023. Operated by Starlight Wave Ltd. and headquartered in St. Lucia, this broker has already captured the attention of traders worldwide. In this video, we'll cover Emarlado's security, account types, trading instruments, fees, platforms, and deposit methods. Let's jump in. Security and regulation. Security and regulation are critical factors when choosing a broker, and Emarlado takes these seriously. It operates under the license of the Mwali International Services Authority, with license number T2023397. This regulatory oversight ensures compliance with financial standards and gives traders peace of mind. Additionally, the use of encryption and data protection technologies also enhances security, ensuring your personal and financial information stays safe. Account types. Emarlado offers 5 different account types: Classic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP, to cater to traders with varying levels of experience and trading needs. The minimum deposit for all accounts is $250, making it accessible for most traders. Each account comes with leverage of up to 1/400, negative balance protection, and multilingual support. The difference lies in the spreads and additional benefits. For instance, the Classic account offers spreads starting at 2.5 pips, while VIP users enjoy much tighter spreads, as low as 0.9 pips. Silver and higher-tier accounts also receive swap discounts, which can reduce trading costs over time. Trading instruments. One of Emarlado's strengths is its wide range of trading instruments. The broker offers access to over 160 CFD products, covering categories like forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, metals, and stocks. This variety ensures that traders can diversify their portfolios and adopt different strategies without switching platforms. Whether you're interested in major forex pairs, global indices like the S&P 500, or commodities such as gold and crude oil, Emarlado provides ample opportunities to explore various markets. The inclusion of cryptocurrencies as CFDs also makes it a great option for traders looking to capitalize on the volatility of digital assets. Trading platforms. The trading platform is where you'll spend most of your time, and Emarlado has chosen the WebTrader platform to deliver its services. This web-based platform doesn't require any downloads or installations. You can simply log in from any browser on any device. The platform is equipped with over 60 analytical tools, customizable charts, and real-time updates, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. It also supports features like stop-loss and take-profit orders, allowing traders to manage their risk effectively. However, a significant limitation is the absence of a dedicated mobile app, which may be inconvenient for those who prefer trading on the go. So, is Emarlado Broker the right fit for you? With its robust security measures, diverse account options, and extensive range of trading instruments, it offers a lot of value for traders of all levels. However, the lack of a mobile app and longer withdrawal times might be a drawback for some. If you want a more detailed analysis, check out the full review on our website BrokerCheck, linked below. And if you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, don't miss out on BrokerCheck Academy, where you'll find free resources. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.